The min-max function enables you to capture minimum, average, and maximum input values, allowing you to evaluate a wide range of signal anomalies or unexpected fluctuations. Using the DMM is easy. Simply connect the 287 or 289 to the source and engage the min-max function. The meter will capture and display any changes to the signal which may occur during the recording process. To end the recording process, but before disconnecting the test leads from the circuit, press the F4 Stop Push button. This retains the start time of the session, the minimum, average, and maximum values, along with the exact times the values were reached. This recording session can easily be saved for later reference with the push of a single button.